Hi everyone, you're watching Moldsandartsupplies and today I'm here with a UV resin tutorial. So this is a very special tutorial because this is a new product launch. Also, I have to show you how you can use this bracelet and this ring and a lot of bezels that we sell. I'll just show you the quality of the bezels that we stock. There are amazing quality and we have them in a lot of shapes and shades. So we sell them as a pack of 30. You can grab them at a great deal right now at the launch offer, so don't forget to DM me for that. So this is a very special flower pack, specially coordinated with the UV resin because the flowers are small, so they can fit into your bracelets and bezels too. So specifically got it designed that way. So this is a UV resin you receive in this sort of packaging, and you're gonna remove this. You're gonna open the lid and you have to open this, and then there is a hole direction. So firstly, we're going to open up the seal. So just cut that off. Okay, once you cut that off, just reseal this, and then this is just ready to use. So this is the assembly part. Now this is the UV light one, so you can actually use this and with a connection to any of your ready to use chargers, as in you have your adapters, so you can just and once you do that, you're gonna add that right in, and then there's a switch. So once you're on the switch, this the UV resin starts radiating. So I'll put on my gloves and show you what we do next. So you put on your gloves and you're ready to start working. So I have these tiny silicone containers and I'm going to use this beautiful opal shimmer glitter in the first layer. So I'm just directly going to add the resin right here, alright, in this manner. Okay, so this is our base layer. You can color this also. Right now I just want to add a little of the opal shimmer to this, and a little bit of black opal shimmer too here and there. So just shaking it off, and a little bit of my unicorn sparkle. Okay, so once I've added this, tap it off, and then I'm just gonna switch this on. Once this cures, this is not gonna take a long time, just a little time. So you can just maybe take a glass, put your band onto this, okay, and then so this is a little jugaad that I'm doing. Please wear your gloves at all times. Okay, and that's it. This is set. Okay, so it's completely set. Now I'm gonna take the flower from this and gonna take a little bit of the resin. Okay, put it all over. Take the flower, put it right here, okay, and then I'm going to use this so I love creating a base for it, so you can skip that also if you want. So this way, get your jugaad back. Okay. Put it in the right place, switch it on, leave it like this. This should be done in a couple of seconds, and then we are gonna dome it. Okay, dome this a bit and try to remove all the bubbles. Alright, heat back, put it right here, and go with the last coat of a domed resin look. Alright, hold it, switch this on, add the needle light, and that's it. The beautiful bracelet is all cured and ready for you to show off. So once you're done, you're just gonna take a wet wipe to clean this off, and the beautiful stunning bracelet is absolutely ready. To flaunt. So just very, and the best part is this is adjustable, so you can adjust it as you like.